Hello guys, Thulani here and welcome to another video. Your boy Thulani here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about 5 awesome affiliate marketing programs that you guys can use to start making money today and in the rest of 2019, guys. A very simple, very great program that you guys can use, guys. So be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video so you guys do not miss even one of these programs, because these could be life-changing and income-changing, guys. But if you're new to this channel, my name is Thulani. On this channel, I talk all things entrepreneurship, making money online, and how to make a passive income on the internet, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and be sure to keep in tune with the next content which will be produced, which will show you guys more money-making methods, guys. So, without further ado, let me not waste some time, and let's get started, and let me show you the 5 best affiliate programs. So guys, we're now inside my computer. Let me get straight into this list with number 1. Guys, I'm just gonna start with the best affiliate program, which in my opinion is the best opportunity which you guys have to promote, guys, and that is ClickFunnels, guys. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's a drag and drop website builder which allows people to build websites and sales funnels which are like bridge pages which customers can buy their products through, guys. So literally, it's in demand. Like, for example, if you're in e-commerce, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you're in email marketing, ClickFunnels can allow you to make your work 10 times easier and make you make more money through your business, guys. So that's essentially what ClickFunnels is. So how much can you make, guys, with ClickFunnels, guys? You know, after you get someone to buy through your affiliate link, guys, you can expect to make $50 per sale, guys. And what's great about this is it isn't just $50 once, guys. Once you promote ClickFunnels and someone joins through your affiliate link, once you get recurring commissions, guys. So, for example, let's say if I promote ClickFunnels today and I get 5 people to join ClickFunnels, and in 2 months I decide, okay, I don't want to do affiliate marketing again. I don't want to promote any products again and run campaigns, guys. And I close my laptop, I throw it away, and I say I'm done with this, guys. What's good about ClickFunnels is you'll keep on making money, guys, because as long as that person remains a member of ClickFunnels, guys, you will keep on making recurring commissions which will go into your account every single month. And that is why I love ClickFunnels so much, guys. But hold on, if you guys thought it doesn't get better, bad news, guys, it gets better, guys, because ClickFunnels gives people a dream car bonus, guys. And honestly, this is crazy, because ClickFunnels allows people to buys people their dream cars when they reach 200 active members on ClickFunnels. So when you promote ClickFunnels and you get 200 people to join through your link, guys, ClickFunnels will send you $1,000 every single month, which could go towards your dream car, guys. So let's say you want a Maserati, you want a Mercedes, you want a Range Rover, guys. ClickFunnels will pay for that once you get your members inside ClickFunnels. And what makes it even better, guys, I'm sorry if I'm spending too much time on this one, guys, but this is so powerful. What makes ClickFunnels even better, guys, is they actually train you to get this dream car bonus, guys. And they have a free course that will be, I'll leave a link to it in the description below, guys, but that's basically the dream car challenge. And there, one of the top affiliates will show you guys exactly what you need to do to be able to hit those 200 members so ClickFunnels can buy your dream car. And it's completely free. So that's why I'm hyping this program so much, guys. So guys, let's move on to the next one, since I don't want to spend too much time on this one, and that is Shopify, guys. So what Shopify is, it's basically an e-commerce website builder, guys. So for example, if you've seen people selling products online, you know, selling fidget spinners, all of those things, guys, they use Shopify. So Shopify allows you to build online stores without having to code, without having to know any of that, guys. And with Shopify, you can earn an average of $58 per user who signs up, and $2,000 for each plus referral, guys. So as you see, there's a lot of earning potential, guys. And what's great about Shopify as well is it's also recurring income, guys. So once that person signs up with Shopify, they will have to pay monthly to have their store keep on running on the internet, guys. And what will happen every single month is you will earn a commission every single time they renew their membership and they keep on being a part of this, guys. So again, just like with ClickFunnels, it has an awesome community, an awesome group of affiliates that honestly love the platform and are using it to, you know, scale their businesses. And yeah, it's an awesome one overall, guys. So that's the second one. So the third one is get response, guys. Email marketing, guys. And honestly, email marketing is huge when it comes to affiliate marketing because it again offers that thing we love, and that is recurring commissions, guys. Money in your bank account every single month once you promote the product once, guys. So with get response, you will get 33% of whatever the person you refer to get response purchases, guys. So let's say if someone purchases the max plan, which is £110, it's pounds because I'm in the UK, you will earn £36 per month just from that membership, guys, and that will keep on coming in every single time they renew their membership. And for example, let's say you promote the £10 email plan, guys, you will earn £3.30 per month, guys. But what's great to remember about this is it's all about building up those commissions. So the more people you promote, the more money you will make, and you can build this up further and further to make more and more money, guys. So that's number 2, guys. So number 3, guys, and that is Bluehost, guys. So what Bluehost is, if you guys don't know about website building and about online marketing, guys, is Bluehost allows you to host your website easily using their hosting services, guys. So let's say I have a WordPress site, I can go to Bluehost, get it hosted, and get it up and running on the internet, guys. And what Bluehost offers you is $65 for each qualified sign up, and yeah, literally free to join. So what you can do with Bluehost is you can literally join for free without even having to get hosting for yourself, and you can begin to promote this, guys. And let's say you can do review videos about Bluehost, telling people the features and why they want to join Bluehost, guys. So that is one of the strategies that people are making money by doing, guys. And another thing is it's completely like, it's not really a passive strategy, because you will have to keep on promoting it multiple times for you to keep on getting money coming in, guys. But it's an awesome affiliate program, guys. So guys, the fourth one is Amazon, guys. I'm sure you've heard it a lot of places. Amazon Associates, guys. And I know the commissions aren't that huge. It's only about 10% of the product price, and sometimes up to 12%, guys. But what's great about Amazon is just the scale of it, guys. So let's say you can literally promote any product that you see online, guys. So that is why it's honestly made it onto this list, because let's say you're into camping, right? You're giving people advice on the best tents that they should buy for camping, guys. You can easily go on Amazon and promote camping tents, and tell people the best tips that they can do and the best equipment that they can buy for their camping trips, and make money from this, guys. So that's why Amazon is on the list, guys. Not big commissions, but honestly it is one of the largest affiliate sites when it comes to products that you can actually promote and make money from, guys. So guys, honestly, that was a great platform. Amazon Associates is one of the best affiliate programs you guys can use to start making money online in 2019 through affiliate marketing, guys. But that was a brief summary of all of the 5 websites which you guys can use. But guys, if you want the number 1 one, which I recommend the most, guys, that would be ClickFunnels, guys. Because unlike all the other ones, guys, ClickFunnels actually offers you guys reoccurring commission, and the largest amount of reoccurring commissions, guys. Plus a dream car bonus, guys, which is unheard of in affiliate marketing, guys. Honestly, like the concept of them actually just buying you your dream car as soon as you get 200 people into this honestly shocks me and surprised me so much. So guys, that's why ClickFunnels is my number 1 recommended one to get started with today, guys. So that was my complete video, guys. If you liked this video and if you found value from it, be sure to like it. And if you're interested in entrepreneurship, making money online, building a passive income online, as well as affiliate marketing, guys, this is the place to be, guys. In this channel, I share all things about making money online almost every single day. I'm starting to do daily videos now, guys, so be sure to subscribe and be sure to check out all of my upcoming videos, guys, because I'll produce more and more bomb ass content for you guys that can help you guys make more money in 2019, guys. So without further ado, guys, it's been Thulani, and peace out, and I'll see you on the next video.